We're back on another video. Okay, this is a 52-inch flat screen. We had an issue here. I've been testing capacitors, and as far as my tester, I've been getting good voltage. Okay, so I came to the conclusion that those things were not bad. I made some research, and most of the problems seem to be with capacitors. Well, today we have an issue here, which is this one here. I wouldn't know what it's called, but I know it clicks. So eventually when you hit your power supply, when you hit power to turn on, it'll click here, and I guess it'll get the whole function going. So let me try it. I'm gonna hit power. I know y'all can't see me from here, but I'm doing it. Here it is. I'm gonna push power. You heard the click, and nothing comes on. It just keeps clicking and clicking on and off. You get a power red light indicator on and off. Make sure we got contact, and then hit power. And here we are on. I don't know if you see the little light right there. You could hear the movie coming on the other side. Now watch when I let go.
My name's Sherman. I want to talk to you about morning.
There's your problem. Okay, I will open the board and maybe try to do some soldering on the points and make video too. Okay. Okay, so I touched those points. Now, if I fixed it, or it's fixed, it should just go by the power button. Okay, this time I'm not supposed to touch it or nothing, just power. Here we go, power.
You may be eligible for an all-in-one Medicare plan that combines.
Alright guys, that's the way to handle it. Here we are, successful. Let's put her back together. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up. Thank you.